exactly like this one. So let's unbox this Forky kit. And let's check it out what's inside. Take all the stuff out. More. There you go. Okay, here we got doll to make a Forky. And here we got mold to make Forky too. And pipe cleaners to make Forky's hand. And also feathers to make different Forkies if you want. And also googly eyes. And here's the instructions how to do it. Now let's get this doll out and put it into mold press. Okay, let's remove the doll. Let's see if Forky's there. Yay! Forky's there! Let's let him dry. Looks like Forky's too soft. Let's give him some support. Let's make Forky's legs. Let's use a beige doll to make a popsicle sticks. Let's remove all the rest of the doll and check the sticks. Let's give Forky leg. Give him more doll. Now let's give Forky eyes. Now let's use blue doll to make Forky's mouth. Okay, Forky, here's your mouth. Now let's use red doll to make Forky's eyebrows. Here is eyebrow. Now let's make Forky's arms. Okay, Forky, here's your arm. Yay! Here's my Forky! He's exactly like this toy. I'm so happy that I just built Forky.
Oh.
Me too, I have new buddies. And here is more friends. Do you like them? I love them. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye! And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up.